What if I told you that the sleek ceramic tiles beneath your feet were once nothing more than powdered dust, and that machines pressed them into shape with more force than a jet engine? Welcome to the high-speed world of tile manufacturing. Step inside a modern tile factory and you're instantly hit with the sound of synchronized machinery, conveyor belts humming, and robotic arms working with precision that feels almost futuristic. But the real stars of the show? High-speed tile presses, massive machines that transform powdered clay into perfectly shaped tiles in just seconds. The process begins with a carefully formulated mix of raw materials like clay, feldspar, and silica, which are milled into a fine powder. This powder is then dried to the perfect moisture level, making it ready for pressing. Here comes the jaw dropper. The powder is poured into molds inside the tile press, where a hydraulic system exerts pressures exceeding 500 tons. That's enough force to crush a car. In just a few seconds, the machine compacts the material into dense, flat tiles with razor-sharp dimensions. From there, the tiles move down the line where robotic arms gently place them into dryers and kilns. Inside these massive furnaces, the tiles are fired at temperatures over 1,200 degrees Celsius, fusing the materials into strong, durable ceramic. Finally, the tiles are glazed, digitally printed with patterns, and cooled before undergoing quality checks using laser scanners and vision systems. The result? The stylish, hard-wearing tiles you see in homes, malls, and skyscrapers around the world. These high-speed machines don't just press tiles, they press the future of architecture into every inch. This is industrial craftsmanship at its finest. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.